Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add video inside text in CapCut or how to put video in text in CapCut. So let's get started. First put the video on the timeline. Take to the one layer up, go to the text, place the text above the media, type the desired text, make it bigger. Once you adjust the font size, use the bold font. You can change the color. Once you're happy with the font and size, drag it to the below layer. Click on the media. Under the basic tab, go to the blend. Click the drop down menu. Click on multiply and done. Let's play it, how it works. This is super amazing. It looks so cool. So I hope now you understand how you can put the video inside tags. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.